What are you doing?
Wait.
What's that?
High five! Are you taking a video?
Uh-huh.
Hey! I'll beat you up with the tennis racket.
Put it back.
Hey.
I'm videotaping. You guys want to sing a song? How about We Wish?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hey, Mom.
What?
Maybe Santa Claus will see our snowman. Ah! Ah!
I think there's too much snow. He's not going to be able to get through.
Ah! I'm gonna fall backwards. No, I'm gonna sing the snowman line. Are you videotaping this? Ah! Sprinkle, sprinkle, little snow, falling down on us below.
Soft and
white and powdery, such a joy for all to see.
sprinkle.
Sprinkle, I forgot to say the melt pot. What comes after that pot?
I don't remember.
I think it was a melt pot.